This is the Travelers Beach Resort where I always stay. And where I eat breakfast. You know, man. Yeah, man. And these are my brethren and my friends. I stay here all the time. They remodel it. You know, it's a really great vibration. Amazing place. So, hi, welcome back, people all over the world. This is the man Trusty. The more I move with the man, the more I trust the man. So when I come Jamaica, I want to go and look if you even have this man number, because it's priceless. So this is Trusty today. Another day on Jamaica Good Life. We're going to pick up the wheel. See if the wheel ready for the
cart.
For the cart.
Yes.
That is for Pokey.
Pokey.
No, so Pokey live up there, so.
Yeah, up the road.
Up the road, Pokey live. So the jelly man is still enough. But we are going to come back next week. We're going to Nickel, we're going to Manchester pants. We're going. Yeah, save my one later. Yeah, just stacking.
No, just come with that stack a while ago.
Yeah. So when we come back next week, we get some more, you know?
Same.
We're not, so Jamaica said they trusted the man there. The man around the thing on the grill. We're going to establish a Jamaica Good Life crew in Manchester. We're going to establish one in St. Mary. And keep showing the good life on the office and on the US and London, all the people that want to say, look, Randy, I try to make sure say on live the life through freeway lens.
Yeah.
Now we're going to pick up the wheel for Pokey. Now if you don't like pork, I don't like chicken.
Should both of them.
Yes.
Both of them, both pork and chicken.
And if you don't want a place to stay, or not stay in my yard, you will find somewhere else for them. My place and my place, and I can't stay at my place. No. And I can't find somewhere else to stay. But I not stay at my place, sleep on my bed. I love all over the world Jamaicans. I love doing this to expose the positivity about Jamaica. So how you feel this morning?
Feel good, man.
How's the journey been with me and the team?
You know, it's good so far, man. Team, everything good, man. Everything up so far, man.
Yeah.
We just keep the link up, that's what I say. And when we keep the link, we go to roll, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. We're going to gas it up. Today, Friday?
Friday. Tomorrow, gas up there, man.
Tomorrow, gas up there. We're going straight to Manchester in the Batmobile, you know.
Tomorrow, gas up there. Saturday.
Right now, we're going to Pokey, go get the...
No, we're going to place, get the wheel.
We're going to get the wheel.
Yeah.
So we're bridging here, so I'm selling pier, and I don't know if I'm there to you.
Yeah, man.
Wait, don't say nothing. But the place nice, man. The grill nice, but you have to have people where you can trust.
You can trust and move on with it, you know?
Yeah, man. It's one of the nicest vacations I've had. You know, because...
Yes, I really like punch this morning, though. Look at this.
You have to change it?
It's really, I don't change. I don't put on. I don't put that one there. That one I put on this morning, now.
That one the puncher?
Yes, punch this morning.
So you go to...
I fix it, man.
Can't go fix it?
Yeah, man. I fix that. I can't go to Manchester without that, you mad?
Oh, man.
Make sure something around this. Like car, anytime the car roll, you have to have 5 tires rolling.
Of course.
4 plus a spare after be rolling.
Of course.
Yeah, and if you look on the car right now, I'm not punching a tire. This spare I put on this morning is like a brand new tire, same way.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, man. No one put my tire there, man.
See there? I'm straight to Manchester where I go. This
I want to change this morning. Look on it.
the jet plane, you know. See there?
I don't want to change this morning. This will change this morning. This. Put on this morning. I'm like on the same way.
Yeah. How old them is?
Entire. The youngest step on the car when it's more than 6 months old.
Yeah.
The youngest one. It's only one point.
How long you have the car?
4 years.
4 years? It's fast, man. So this is where we buy the wheels for Pokey cart. So we're going to turn off now. The Jamaican loaded board there, see it there? Germany, Jamaica, Brazil, Argentina. Straight on the board.
So much over the fact that I can't.
The price of shit. The price change because you delay the thing.
Huh?
You make a mistake.
No,
Error cost, you know. You make an error.
But
After you write it down and you sign it, you know, your life and your spirit that you just signing.
But in terms of time, you know, they make a difference. Thank you.
Yes.
I mean, I said, this with the people. I'm not going to do it. I'm not charging to put on them, I'm not charging to pump them up, I'm not charging to
realize that when I charge them, it is good.
Let me tell you something, man. You're good, you know. God is with you. But if you make them free, God will stay with you longer, you know. Yes, the blows and skirts, Mr. God is good, no way.
How much of the cost?
So, I'm going to hold them now. Alright. So, yeah, I mean, can't get to nothing at Jamaica. Can't get to it. Nothing. One thing with Jamaica. Eh? Yeah. I know, so I'm drink two of the rum punch. Nothing no work.
Everything rum punch, everything like half.
Yo. Yo.
I know all the punch.
Yeah, we never see it.
You don't want to point with that come.
So this we're buying the wheel for the pork chop people. Can't wait for help out Pokey. Pokey the part of the team, I started the show, you know. So we have to make sure we piss our people. So the goal is to... Yeah, man. Can't believe it. Me say if me drink 2 rum punch at Travelers, me done. I don't know where them putting that.
I'm a piece of rum punch out there trying to Travelers one.
Which one?
Over free hotel there. Them boys make mad rum punch over there, you know. Mad. Tell them what they want. Cash them. I said, when me tell her to get them, she said, Sunday shop pull up the cart.
Yeah. I'm have to work fast, you know. I'm have to put it and make sure it work fast and nice. Them know what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Father. So cold.
Soon forward.
That's it. Yes, I tell you, Jamaica. Oh. One thing with driving at Jamaica, what do you think, what do you say about it?
Driving?
Yeah.
Well, it's a driving on the road. If you hit the dip on your body, you'll lose the land. And you have some mad man on the road. Mad. When I say mad, it means you have some driver who mad and the bike man then worse than mad. You understand?
Yeah.
Every inch of the way on the road, you have to dip on the road.
Yeah.
The moment you take your eye off for the 5 seconds, it can cause an accident.
No texting while driving in Jamaica.
No, man, I mean, well, people, yeah, some mad man do it in the park.
Yeah.
I do it, you know. I want to shoot me hard dance on my phone when I'm driving, you know.
Yeah. Oh, so more time I call you.
Yeah, if me
I drive.
I drive me hard dance on my phone.
Okay.
So my time when I stop, me hear the phone ring like 2-3 times straight.
Yeah.
I stop, pull off and answer the phone.
Yeah.
I'll answer my phone when I drive. Because I'm bring out a fine fee now, in a passing a law yet.
Okay.
But then catch up on your phone driving is 10,000 Jamaican dollars.
Wow, that's near. That's alright. That's a year to US right now. No.
10,000 Jamaican dollars.
I'm not play. I'll get some dollars. I'll go back for the fact them.
Yo, sir.
Hey, the breadfruit spoil again. We not buy no more breadfruit. Breadfruit up on the tree now.
No buy no more
breadfruit up on the tree.
You want now. It's true we don't have coal pan to roast breadfruit pan.
Yeah.
But ever was spoil. No buy no more breadfruit.
Yeah.
No buy no more breadfruit, sir. And I just buy breadfruit. And then we know breadfruit pan tree on there.
Yeah.
Why not park here, sir?
Let me think. Well, you can't see it? You can't see the car?
Yeah, but now I lock up no window so you can't see the car.
Okay.
It's just me park them in if you can't work me. You know, for one day now. You know, me park, I can't see.
Yeah.
Yeah, park. We're not wicked, man. We're not violent like that neither. Yeah.
much them bike can cost? A second hand one.
You can't tell. Too many interest in them.
Alright, see it a big show now. Everybody in Jamaica, Pokey get new wheel. You see me? When I come back from Manchester, the car supposed to ready. Open up the back. At the back, you put it in at the back. See the wheel, yeah? Hopefully she get the man to deal with the thing. And Pokey have new wheel now, so we can ride the truck go straight to the Pokey go straight to Manchester.
Where's around there?
Straight to Manchester. Yeah, man. Make a move. Life. Jamaica Good Life. We're going to show now how we live good with each other, like sisters and brothers. And we're going to Pokey now. Pokey, I go see Christmas.
We're buying chicken first.
We'll buy the chicken.
And then we're going to Pokey.
So we'll buy enough chicken so we can fry it for the trip. Because people in the car, I go chuck up and we're going to make for them for drink. Lemonade.
Drink water, man.
Drink water?
You mean?
Alright. And what am I going to do chicken? Some rice?
Chicken and bread.
Pokey can cook.
Chicken and bread.
We shall just buy the chicken and make him cook it. Sunday night. Sunday night.
But no man, so should I road Saturday night, yo.
Shall they work?
Yeah, man. Should I work Saturday night.
Alright, cool. Well, if they work, put the chicken on the damn grill. And for with chicken, make him do it.
I can't do that with too.
Yeah, she just put for which. She said. No man, make we put it on him. Because him just put it on the grill and grill it for we.
But we still going to come up Saturday Sunday man in the same way.
We still go what?
We're going to wake up Sunday man for collect it.
No man, him go when him Sunday morning 5 o'clock, him bring the chicken at the car.
But I don't think she'll come this Sunday.
She not come?
I'm not sure, I don't know, I don't know where plan is. I carry Sunday.
Well, no matter what, Sunday morning we wake him up early.
Watch out, you know Sunday though?
What? And the chicken here, I forget. Him up.
Right there, watch it there. Right there, I'm right there.
Alright, how much for a pound?
220 a pound.
I could do.
The vacation we know what? Says old boy preference. What like guys?
I will snap at 650. Okay. When?
On the drum. 5-4. 5-4. You understand? Yeah.
You know, I can't style look me now. Come have the honey. Oh, now we're going to Pokey.
Yeah.
We want to see the reaction. We have the chicken, we're going to just drop the chicken pan him. Hopefully he coming on Sunday.
I can confirm if I come on Sunday.
If him not come, him still have a jerk with chicken.
Alright.
You see me? And drop the wheel on him. And in a week we expect the truck up and running.
Yeah.
So when I come back, I can run the truck now.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man, by the time I come, the truck must ready. By the time I come, the truck half ready.
You know? And when we come back for season 2 now,
Hey, yo, watch it now.
we can put a pedal on it. Yes, God is good, yeah. So them Jamaican soup, man, they're good.
Yeah, some of them not, I don't know.
Eh, where you buy your soup?
Alright, so right the Pokey sells soap.
Yeah.
Pokey sells soap and soap myself right beside Pokey.
Him good. I don't look at you to go on with these foolishness. Oh.
You know.
So him you buy, who you buy pork from?
No man, that's that you know buy soap from.
Yeah.
It's just that you buy you now over the I don't know.
Yeah, him a go on with some things. Him a ride the bike like say bike a go to style.
That's what them done. That's why they're lose their life.
Yeah.
And I'm talking about that speed when they can't manage the bike, they can't control it. I'm gonna start for you, punch on this man, I'm gonna start for you.
Yeah. So we're going to Whitehall season 1 there.
I'm going straight up walking.
Straight up Pokey we are going now. It a go rain today?
Yeah, it's a Joe right now. Sleep on the windscreen there. It's a Joe now.
Someone will drop a container. What them keeping at them container? How much more of them container there? So I'm getting coconut and them pineapple and them pear.
Yeah. The market since morning now.
Today are Friday, tomorrow Saturday. We'll leave Saturday morning, Sunday morning. Early you work tonight.
Saturday night. You work Saturday night too?
You work Saturday night.
Yes, man.
You forget to rest.
No, make sure tactics not my work. Every time you work,
Yeah.
you see the place locked down. All of my guests in the inside, we get the rest. That's what looks strong at the time now. You see what them look strong?
Yeah.
What them look strong? Once all of my guests in inside, we say boom, so I get a little rest in our chair. Just thing not Johnny back now I can't and get a little rest.
Yeah.
Once we get like 1 hour, 2 hours.
So when you go past the tire today?
Yeah, man, I go back when I left. When I drop off when I'm about to shop from Taiwan.
Yeah.
You know, we start out today.
Yeah. It's a Pokey down house there. So.
Pokey smoke there.
It's a Pokey smoke that.
Yeah. Every time I drop there, every time I carry on the yard, I left, man. I got a tire shop, tire every patch today.
Yeah.
When I drop, I know I don't spare. That's the only thing I do.
So we're in the grill right now, so the mush. So that's how Pokey cat going to look similar to that?
Yeah, similar to yes.
And you see the man have a bicycle front?
Yeah, and him have a fork and back when he can turn.
Yeah.
You think Pokey look now, but Pokey have 4 forks, so Pokey now 4 wheels, like 3.
Yeah.
That's something similar to that front, like similar to that one.
Shot him every time, you know. Just draw down for him. Dog, watch out.
Stand up here. That's the noise. Like we can't see car now. We lock up car, but we can't see car. Yeah, that's good.
see people on film bike.
Shut the front door. Shut that.
Jamaica Good Life.
Look at some pull the wall out there now. Sitting up on that. Sitting up, sitting up, sitting up. Slam it now. Can I get him, eh?
Yeah. Legendary Pokey yard. 5,
Yo,
6
police.
kids, 1 died. And she has sent them to college.
Yo! Police!
So the dog them stuck up. Get some hot water for them.
When you look at the police, what's the gate there?
When there?
Ugly V! What?
I'll be here, see, I'll be here. Okay.
Yo, you want to do one now? V! Look it on there.
Chop the thing, you know. That one you call me talk about Randy. I put some salt in that. I said no.
Yes, man.
But I call the
Randy.
Rasta man and him say, no, you have to take your time with them, you know. You have to go add salt and take your time
Randy.
and pull the salt back over time.
Randy,
Because them
you
can't.
see if me drink that, sir. I'll know me not shit house that shit. I tell you. Me not drink, me not fresh food. Not just me not style food, you know. Me don't have mash style food.
Oh, okay.
I have to put the salt and put them in mash style food. Tell them to do
Okay.
that.
Maybe half a bullet there. Yes,
It's just going for you in there now.
real life.
If you want to eat, come on, come on.
So you pick up the clothes first and then go to the car tire place.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, man.
Alright, we're good. Give me a pier.
Down with the pier, man.
Roll, we win the pier. Alright, see you later.
Yeah, man. Look at it.
Take care. Get some rest.
Yeah, man. Come and get some rest.
Alright, cool, later.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah.
Yes, Jamaica. Yes, we're going to eat some pier now. Right now, Jamaican, see there? I'm there in Jamaica right now, Whitehall Estate. You see my room there, right? So I grill up everything, lock up my grill and thing. Cock a crow 4 in the morning. A bike and stop us over to the beach and thing. Real house. I stay in Jamaica. Real yard. You know? Right now the nicest thing, you know? And right now I exercise some bun and cheese and bull and pear. We are excessive about it. And you know, sir, yeah. But I know, sir, but it have to drink the syrup. You see, give thanks to Pokey to give me some of the syrup. So my slippers them there. So everything authentic, you know. And we just love the Jamaican life. So we do the series, season 1, Jamaica Good Life. You know, I try to promote the goodness. Crime the everywhere in the world. We're there I don't get away there right now is Whitehall Estate and people, life hard for people, but when you live among them and you live good with them and you get to know you how to walk around them, look, you can't live. I see look a picnic, I go to school and people are do them thing and everybody wants to say, no, Jamaica this, Jamaica that. What we learn is that you have, if you eat, them must eat too. Where you have them, we all came together, cook together, and me share what I have and them say. When money around low, them know, and nothing, them bring them milk, come over, we eat porridge together and you know, and you just need to find trusted people and a place to stay and get your headset so when the rooster crow and the dog them a bark and the bike them a pass, look on them little picnic there run. You know, good life Jamaica. Them a live. But everybody I think say, no Jamaica you can't live there, you can't move back. It is just how you move around people. You say hello when you pass people and why, see them, I'm learning to live at Jamaica because I have some more to live when I get older. I have some I come back. So I have to learn. So I get my Rasta bracelet there. So I buy it from my lady. So right now, remember the old chair them with them out. See them there? Right now I feel good man. We go Africa, when I see me go through Africa, you know. And I see me go Jamaica now and I show you the good life. Jamaica Good Life. We're going to Manchester to meet Baba. And we're going to meet you know, I bring the whole crew to Manchester. We're just shooting this series, Jamaica Good Life. Because we want to remind the Jamaicans abroad, say, no one better than yard. Whatever you take it. Crime there everywhere, don't run from in a country. There's 98% of Jamaican people and good. You have to know to move, be firm with them and find out who you can trust to a 99% and live life. You see me? But now I make foreign people in a slavery. And I go on like say a life that, oh, Jamaica life there. So don't stay for too long, you know what I mean? And I have to build a mansion or just 2 or 3 bedroom I want and I'll open up a shop or whatever business I do for sustain and yourself, get a farm or whatever. But don't feel so Jamaica is the worst place on the earth to come back. Jamaica is still the best place. So I eat a bowl and pear for Uno and the cheese and drink me. Thing, but love Uno, Randy, fearless, you know. If we can go Africa, we can live anywhere in the world. Yeah man, people live, so enjoy yourself until next time. Let me go mash my bowl off my feet. I walk slow, I love Uno later.